Friends, today it is Sunday, 17th of October and day after Deepavali, and today some news is coming up, and among the important newses of the state, India's commitments till 2030 almost fulfilled, says Sitharaman, our finance minister. So HDFC Bank profit rises 17.6% year on year. Self-reliance. Government aims to make semiconductors in India by mid-2022. Oh, this is some general news which we read today, and the same news continues in economic times also. HDFC Bank profits rises 17.6% to 8,834 crore in Q2. Mixed COVID jabs, no barrier for US travel plans. So COVID booster plan. So inside story deep dive. Is Reliance the biggest startup on the block? Is Reliance the biggest startup on the block? So this is the news here, and that is by Mukesh Ambani. And again, multi-bagger stocks and the $1 million question. Multi-bagger stocks and the $1 million question, that is from Business Line. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala offloads majority stake in MCX. HDFC Bank Q2 net up 17.6% on robust interest income. That's all good. India raises concern over climatic financing and technology transfer. Sitharaman. That's all the news for Sunday, and there is nothing news. And they say it is safe money, honey. It is safe money, honey. And some news. They say how INVIT REIT incomes are taxed. So this depends on what it is composed of: dividend, interest, and other income. This is a good story, you can read. It's a great item. And after that, and today we have some interesting news on crypto and NFTs. Crypto and NFTs. That's the greatest news today we have. So all the related artistic articles which you have can be coupled to the Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever cryptocurrency and brought out in the shape of NFTs. Earlier, our Big B came out with Coin DCX and brought out some non-tangible assets, and his name was very highlighted on that time. But today you have Chingari launches crypto tokens NFT into marketplace, and this is Salman Khan. Chingari launches crypto tokens NFT marketplace. So Salman Khan has brought them, and he has released it in Bombay yesterday and made a very big show. And here in the Sunday Times it is written, a revolution in creator economy using crypto and NFTs, non-fungible tokens. A revolution in creator economy using crypto and non-fungible tokens. So Chingari, India's fastest growing short video app. So on all the activities and clips that are brought on to Chingari, they can be now attached to the cryptocurrencies and made as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, that nobody can interfere with them, and that can be sold and sold and sold and sold any number of times, but that will be very clearly available and visible in the blockchain technology. So that what make the dancing clips and other clips and all the artistic and drama and other all clips into a fungible, non-fungible assets. So it will be added to blockchain technology. So the laws of Copyright Act and the intellectual property rights also will be automatically attached to that, and nobody can infringe also them. Nobody can infringe them, and the asset continues to be traded and sought after and brought again and again and again. If a particular NFT is worth 500 rupees, the same will be purchased by next person totally with rights and everything, and he may purchase it for 5,000. A 500 article will be can be purchased for 5,000, and the same 5,000 article can be again repurchased into 10,000. So the asset value continues, and they have named it G-Gari, India's first social token, powered by G-Gari, India's first social token. So download the app Chingari and try if you can also put in some NFTs and make cryptocurrency yourself also and make big money. Oh, this is again from Economic Times. We have a great item. AB Changer, AB Chingari. अब चिंगारी पर सब कमाएंगे, अब चिंगारी पर सब कमाएंगे. You and I, everyone can do a artistical or dramatical bit and attach it to crypto value and make it a NFT, non-fungible asset, and keep trading and kamao. So Chingari offers an innovative platform for the young and aspiring creators to light their talent in Chingari. Proud to be the first ever truly Indian short video platform that was recognized with an Atmanirbhar Bharat award. Chingari is poised to revolutionize the face of content creation with its latest disruptor of global creator economy, Gari tokens. So you produce Gari tokens and they will be purchased, I believe. So Gari tokens are designed around creators. Gari designed around creators. So create short video content. Chingari enjoys the patronage of millions of daily users. The app allows creators to make short form videos, share them with friends or fans, and earn Gari tokens at the same time. So when you share them, you get the Gari tokens. That is one kind. Then buy, sell and trade NFTs. NFTs, all creator videos become NFTs on Gari NFT marketplace. So Gari NFT marketplace, that is what our Salman Khan is also creating, giving the power to earn. All creator videos become NFTs on Gari NFT marketplace, giving the power to earn. Thereby you will be selling a product from one's content creation directly into the hands of the creator. Watch videos. Chingari offers a plethora of exciting genres of videos, from dance to comedy and from entertainment to devotional. Users who watch the videos will get Gari tokens for engaging with the platform. So from entertainment to devotional, users who watch the videos will get Gari tokens for engaging with the platform. So by, I think, viewing also produces Gari tokens. Own, governed, crypto powered creator economy. Gari tokens will give creators the governance authority over future platform developments through a DAO and create a circular economy being distributed to contributors for the platform value they create. Gari, on the other hand, benefits from the value of network itself. So this is the greatest 2 pages advertisement today brought out by our famous hero Salman Khan, and he is supporting and coming out with Chingari to create a marketplace for NFTs and also attach crypto value for all the dances, actions and dramas and dilemmas and dialogues and everything. So revolution in creator economy using crypto and NFTs. So what happens when you add crypto or couple crypto to NFTs? They become the non-fungible tokens. The non-fungible tokens can be traded and kamavo. So friends, have a great idea. Yesterday it was Amitabh Bachchan. Today it is Salman Khan, tomorrow it can be you also and me also. Anyone can come out and create a marketplace, bring about non-fungible tokens, attach a crypto value for them and keep trading and keep a circular, here it is written, it will be a circular entertainment. Where you read it, rules to make. Chingari offers a plethora of exciting genres of videos from dance to comedy and entertainment to devotional. Users who watch the videos will get Gari tokens for engaging with the platform. Here it is. Own and govern. Crypto powered creator economy, Gari tokens will give creators the governance authority over the future platform developments through a DAO and create a circular economy being the platform value they create. Gari, on the other hand, benefits from the value of the network itself. So be at the epicenter of digital and social trends. Be at the epicenter of social and digital trends. This is a new challenge for us, and some way if we enter into the crypto trading through NFTs or whatever means, we can be knowing putting one step ahead into crypto values. So that can be a great news. Friends, try your luck also and see this again. I write this: Chingari launches crypto tokens NFT marketplace. Salman Khan. Bollywood star Salman Khan, who has been signed on as the brand ambassador for the marketplace, launched the Dollar Gari program in Mumbai on Saturday. So with this you will earn dollars, cryptos, NFTs, whatever. It improves your position as a crypto enthusiast. So with this, you friend, have this nice study on this, have a thoughtful study and get into this crypto markets. Thank you friends. This is Dayaratnam Singamala from Dil Se with Ratnam. So NFTs, we will have a separate episode fully, but today for Sunday news I am bringing this as a forerunner. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next episode. Bye. Thank you.